Ki samla pule Political Science Batch 2020 to 2023 jong ka Kiang Nangbah Government College kila penlong ka Thung dieng haphalau ka college ha ka arpo nyau tarik uni ubanai. Yikitan rai dieng la ai ngobha da katanat forest West Giant Hills District kumbasan pautli. Hashwa ka Thung dieng kaladan ka jialang lingkot ha multi-purpose hall ka college ha ka jingdon lang ka principal ka Dr. E.M. Bala kum ka kongsan u Dr. J.P. Sharma IQAC Coordinator HOD of Philosophy kum usimbut kongsan but u Assistant Professor HOD Political Department S. Lalu. Ya ka jingalang lapanya da ka Assistant Professor ka kong di lamare katba ka samla ni daylang lamare kalayat ho ba ya ka Thung dieng kalong shibanta ka jingrakhe ya ka World Environment Day 2023 halor ka phang solution to plastic pollution. Ha ka jingalang kisamla puli kila IT ya ka Educational Study Tour Group Photo bala ais ngobha da ka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly bat kijing ais ngongu siya ka principal. Ya ka jingalang lapan kut da ki jingruai jingshat bat ki kentian ai khublei na utrebok talang.
I would like to say something for the outgoing students. And this will be just like a farewell only for the outgoing students because you are leaving this college, isn't it? So today, it marks a bitter-sweet moment in our journey together as we bid farewell to our final year students. And one thing I will always remember that before going, you have organized this program, the tree plantation. This is a very great work you have done. And I hope the junior students also will follow this tradition in future. So finally, I will thank all the outgoing students and the present students of the Department of Political Science for taking this opportunity and conducting this program for everyone.
I believe you have gained a lot of experience in this 3 years of your stay in this institution. So this college, I hope that it is very much associated to you. So it is difficult, of course, as sir have said that it is a difficult to part, but there is time for everything. So that is why we have to live it. And during your stay in this college, there might be a times of up and down, but I believe you have overcome them all by doing well in your exam. And you will get the reward according to what you have sown. That means the fruit of your labor, it depends on what you sow. What you sow, that you will reap. I hope this year of your stay in this college have been a productive year in your life.